I surprised my partner with a night here just after Christmas and we loved it. The staff were very friendly and helpful. Nothing was too much trouble for them. The reception and bar area was very nice and very clean. The bedroom was massive with a very comfy bed.
Rather expensive in the bar, didn't find it value for money, but I guess it / London. Didn't / like that I had £120.
Bed super staff, especially on reception. Sadly, our breakfast tray did not have all items stated. I had booked a 30-minute back massage for my husband for his birthday weekend treat, but it wasn't written in the diary by previous spa manager. All got sorted and he relaxed.
The room was lovely, but the windows were filthy. We paid extra for a room with a view over the water but had trouble seeing out. The windows were so dirty.
We took the Emirates airline from North Greenwich over the Thames, arrived very close to the Sunborn. There is also a DLR, customs house for Excel, moments from the yacht. The yacht itself is pure luxury. Our cabin was gorgeous. We had a large porthole overlooking the Thames.
We arrived at breakfast just after 10 AM. Some bits of food were cold, but overall choice was very good. A few stains on curtains and sofa made it seem not so clean. Better toiletries available would make it more luxury.